Let's be honest. You're probably going to end up joining LiveGood, and here's 3 reasons why. What's up? It's your man Earl, Batman Stringer. Now, if you haven't heard of LiveGood yet, I don't know where you've been, but maybe you're new to the game, you know what I'm saying? And you just, maybe I'm the first video that popped up. But LiveGood is exploding right now. It's one of the best online business opportunities out there right now. A lot of people are joining this opportunity. A lot of people are making money with this opportunity. Now, if you're watching this video, you might be like, yo, I'm thinking about joining LiveGood, but I don't know. Or you might even be watching this and being like, dude, I'm not even joining LiveGood, but let me just watch this video for, whatever, entertainment's sake. But I'm here to tell you that if you are one of them people who are serious about making money online and you really want to, earn a nice part-time or full-time income, eventually you're probably going to end up joining LiveGood, and here's why. The first reason why I say that you're probably going to end up joining LiveGood is because you're going to see more and more people just like you talking about LiveGood and how they are actually being successful with this opportunity. So whoever you are, if you're a woman, a man, a college student, a retiree, you're going to eventually see somebody talking about this that you can relate to, and you're going to start being like, wait a minute. If they could do this, why can't I? Now, a second reason that you'll probably end up joining LiveGood is because you're going to realize for $9.95, the earning potential that you can get from just paying this membership fee, this monthly membership fee, is going to be well worth it. All right. Because right now, even with the fact that, yes, it does cost $40 to become an affiliate of LiveGood, but you got to keep in mind that's a one-time $40 fee, and that allows you to be basically a business builder with LiveGood. So after you pay your $40 and your $9.95 membership, at that point, all you're doing is paying pretty much $10 a month to have your own online business. Think about that, right? So even if you're not joining right now or whatever, it's going to eventually hit you like, damn, all these people making money, all these people just like me got their own online business, and they're only paying $10 a month? I can afford $10 a month. And the third reason why you probably end up joining LiveGood is their products are going to eventually get to you. What I mean by that is maybe something that's holding you back from joining LiveGood right now is their product line, right? LiveGood is all about supplements right now, to better your life, to better your health. Everything is based around, health, right? So that might not be your thing. It should be, you know what I'm saying? But it might not be. It's all good. But it is a known fact that LiveGood's plan in the future is to add more and more products to the LiveGood brand. All right. So even going outside of the whole health supplements, I'm pretty sure this is where they're headed in the future. So even by you not joining now, because you might be like, yo, I ain't really feeling the whole supplement game, I don't even want to mess with it. Eventually, LiveGood's going to come out with something that you're going to be like, ooh, now I can rock with this. And then you're going to probably be like, ooh, I want to get involved now. And it's only $9.95 a month. And it's people just like me making money with this opportunity. Oh, I'm in now. So I could be wrong, but I do think these are 3 reasons why if you haven't joined LiveGood yet, you probably will. And if you are ready to join LiveGood just by watching this video, because now you're like, damn, I see the light now, right? All you need to do is click the first link in the description of this video and get started right now. And I'm pretty sure in the long run, you're going to be very happy that you did.